Y'all better sponsor me. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So y'all hear the box, we have an unboxing, but not just any unboxing. This is literally about to be the holy grail for my natural hair care routine, thanks to the Edge family, mainly Shamaya, because they got this for me for my birthday. Okay, let's just open it up. So it's a portable hair steamer. If you're a natural girly, you know what a portable hair steamer does. It literally just enhances everything. It penetrates your hair. It puts all the nutrients up in there, especially with deep conditioning. And yeah, so let's start off with, do you see that? Y'all know I'm a whore for cheetah print, leopard print, any kind of this print. That's my thing, okay? Okay, let's just open it up. I'm excited. I've always, y'all, like, so what's so crazy is I actually wanted to buy a steamer, but I was waiting to buy that big, like, I'll insert a picture. I was waiting to buy that big one so I can, you know, just steam hair. I wanted to steam everybody's hair. Whoever needs their hair steamed, come to my house. I'll steam it. But this, I didn't know they had a portable one. So the company is VICARKO. It's a home hair spa, easy operation. 2 temperature settings, okay, 45 to 65 Celsius for deep conditioning. I don't know Celsius, I'm in America. Well, I probably should still know it. The lack of knowledge doesn't really matter where I'm from, but we don't use Celsius like that. We use Fahrenheit, so I will try to calculate that. And then overheat protection, auto shut off for safety. Premium quality, lightweight and portable. It definitely is lightweight, definitely is. Y'all, okay, let's get into it. Like, look at it. Okay, so what does this do? It has like a little, I'm probably not supposed to be unzipping this. Oh, that's like, I guess the insulator thing. Oh, duh, it has the stuff in. Okay, yeah, no, okay. Ignore me, don't do that.
Sweetheart, now that you're old enough, there's something I've always wanted to tell you, and I think you're ready to hear it. You're not very pretty, and you're not very bright.
Keep that zip, but okay. So it came with a thank you card. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for choosing." Oh, I said this so wrong. It's not VICARKO, it's VICARKO. VICARKO. Portable hair steamer cap. If you have any questions about your product, please feel free to contact us, and we are glad to assist you. We can be reached at their contact stuff. We also welcome you to post a product review so that others can benefit from your experience. Y'all better sponsor me. As a growing business, we know how scarce time can be, so we especially appreciate your time and input. Best regards. Okay, I feel important because what am I doing right now? Reviewing. Okay, so I don't want to keep butchering their name, so I'm just gonna say the V hair steamer. Ooh, V. The V hair steamer cap is a unique deep conditioning I'm trying to go fast. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm trying to go fast, so that's the crazy part. I don't know how to really talk slow. Rewind it. V Hair Steamer Cap is a unique deep conditioning heat cap. It offers easy and stylish ways to achieve the results of a salon quality conditioning treatment at home. You can feel good about the way you look while conditioning your hair and dramatically improving your results of your hair treatment. Y'all don't understand. This is a curly girl's holy grail. And it fits so beautifully. Okay. Okay. So 1, shampoo your hair. This is how to use it. So 1, shampoo your hair and apply deep conditioner or hair treatment. 2, pin your hair or cover with a plastic cap, optional. Put on the hair steamer cap and switch on. Select your preferable temperature, high or low, and enjoy your hair spa for 30 minutes. Wash and dry your hair. Your hair will absorb the needed nutrients to get better look after a home hair spa. The hair steamer, overheat protection. The hair steamer cap has built-in temperators, which detects the abnormal high temperature and auto shut off your cap to protect you and your cap. Therefore, during your hair spa, your cap may auto shut off by built-in temperators to avoid overheat. It will auto turn on after the temperature drops. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is cute. I'm about to turn it on. The only thing is, I'm probably not gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna do, because I have done some research and I have come across the fact that you can over condition your hair. So this is perfect, but the 30 minutes might be a little too much depending on what I use to deep condition my hair. I know for my olive oil cholesterol treatment, I know that is like a 2-minute one. But with heat, it's gonna penetrate. So yeah, I might have to actually go invest in a deep conditioner that's like 15 minutes. That will actually really benefit. I'm so happy. But okay, so I'm about to turn it on. You guys will definitely see me use this during during my wash and go. So be on the lookout for that. Or maybe, should I put it in this? I might put it in this. I might just do the wash and go separately. We'll see. If this is in there, you know. And if it's not, then you know. Okay, so it's on. I'm slow, am I? I might be slow, just a little bit. No, I put it on high. Oh, it's getting hot. A little bit. Should I put it on my head? I'm scared. No, it's getting hot, y'all. Oh, this is dope. The only thing I can say, it's taking a minute to heat up. So if I were you, I would turn this on while you're washing your hair, and then, you know, it will be heated up, in my opinion. But yeah, this is cute. Like, this is cute. But okay, I'm just so excited. Thank you guys. Well, thank you guys. Thank you guys again for all the birthday wishes, happy birthdays, and everything, and the presents. I just love everybody. I just love everybody. But yeah, okay. That's not, it's June, girl. Your birthday was in May. Even though it is the end of May, so I do really deserve to celebrate whenever. But yeah, I really am gonna be using this every wash day, so you guys are gonna get sick of me. But I might just come back, so yeah. I'll see. I might just come back. We'll see. Actually, no. I want you guys to come back. Show me how much you really want this. And go watch my wash and go, which is gonna be coming up next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and stay in tune with what I have in store, because I definitely have stuff. This is so freaking cute, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I have this, like, this print is literally everywhere. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Come back and see me.